Hello student. So let's start our discussion. In this tutorial we will discuss string data type in Python. Now before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you something about exercise file. So from now onwards, for each tutorial I will upload an exercise file into GitHub, and in video description you can find the link for the same. Okay, so you have to simply download that IPYNB file. Now let me teach you that how you can upload it. So whenever you will start Jupyter, okay, here you will get an option upload. Okay, so if you will click on upload, then it will show you this kind of dialog box, and from there you have to select the file, okay, which you have downloaded. So name of that file will be string data type.ipynb. So if you will click on it and then click on upload, okay, that file will be visible here. Now if you will click on that file, that entire code will be available here. Okay, so whatever we are going to learn into this tutorial, that is available in form of this practice file. So you can download it, and while you are watching video in parallel, you can perform the experiment. So let's take a new file and let's start our tutorial. So here first we will learn that how to declare a string. Okay, so here let's say s1 is equals to hello. Okay, so this is how we can define the string, and if we want to print the string, then we can print it like print s1. So this is how we can print the string. Clear with this? Okay, now if you directly want to print, then you can write like this also, the static message hello. So this is also possible. Now string formatting. Let's say there is a string, okay, s1, and I want to place arguments into the string. Okay, so how we can do it? So let's see. Let's say there is a string that which we want to display multiple time. Okay, but every time this argument will be different. Okay, so if we want to place any argument into the string, we will use curly bracket. Okay, and then there is a format method. Okay, so in format we can specify the argument. Okay, like let's say here I want to print ABCD student. Okay, it belongs to 8th standard, and then I will try to print s1. Okay, so ABCD is 8th standard student. Similarly, if you want to specify index, okay, then also you can specify the index like here. I will specify the index number. Let's say here I am writing 0, okay, and here I am writing 1. Now here we will keep all these arguments same, ABCD and 8. Okay, and then we will print s2. Yes, we are getting error. So oh, there is a typing error, FORMAT. Yes, here you can see. Okay, so this is how you can specify the index 1 and 0. Let's say you want to repeat one value multiple time. Let me define another string s3 equals to okay, here 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, and here I will write here instead of every time a static string, we will take let's take variable. Okay, so s4 equals to, let's say, hi, and s5 equals to, let's say, hello. Okay, so here we will write s4 and s5. Okay, and then we will print it, print s3. Yes, here you can see the advantage. Okay, if you are writing in other programming language like C, C++ or Java, then for every argument you have to specify the value. Okay, let's say if I am defining a string, let's say s3. Okay, s3 we already used, so s6, and here I am taking a variable value y. Okay, and here I will simply say 0 1 2, then 0 1 2, then 2 1 0 1. Okay, so s4, s5 and s3, s6, sorry. Yes, here you can see. Okay, so interpreter will treat s4 as argument number 0, s5 as argument number 1, and s6 as argument number 2. Okay, so this is how you can do the string formatting into the Python. Now let's see that which are the various way to declare the string. Okay, so first and simple most that we already discussed here. Another way we can declare string using single quotes. Okay, so this is also a string, and if you want to use double quote inside the string, then you can use it. Okay, so why? Because interpreter will start the string with opening single quote, and it will terminate the string with closing single quote. Now I will print the value of s1. Yes, this is also a string. Yes, let me show you something else. Now many times what will happen, let's say I want to show some special character to the user. Let's say this is or /n is used to represent new line character. Okay, and then we will try to print s1. So what will happen? Yes, you can see here I am getting a blank line as an output. Okay, so if you want to display the string in as it is format without interpreting any special character inside it, then we will put r. Okay, so if you will put r, then interpreter will treat it as a row string. So whatever special characters are there, okay, interpreter will not convert it into the appropriate meaning. Okay, so it will keep it as it is. So if you want to display a row string, this is known as row string. Okay, so interpreter is not going to interpret it, it will simply print it as it is. So if you want to print a row string, then you can put r as a suffix to r as a prefix to string. Now next, let's have some more string manipulation operation. Let's take one string. Let's say we are done with s6, so s7 equals to hello. Okay, so here I will try to convert this into different representation. Let's say s8 equals to s7 dot upper print s8. Okay, so upper, this function will convert all the character of string into uppercase. Similarly, there are few more operations. After upper there is lower, then after lower there is title case, then there is capitalize, capitalize will be used in sentence. Okay, so here every time we will get, so let me put some different character. Okay, and one more is swap case. So swap case will change the case or toggle the case. Okay, so let us try to understand upper. So here you can see the remaining means last two L and O will be converted to capital. In lower, entire word will be converted into small, while in title and in capitalized, first character will be converted into means it will be as it is, and remaining will be converted to lowercase. And in swap case, what it will do, wherever there is capital, it will be converted into small, and wherever there is a small character, it will be converted into capital. So here HEL is capital, so in output here HEL is small and LO were small here, and here we will get, here we are getting L and O as a capital. Okay, so these are the some of the string simple string manipulation function. Let's see some more string manipulation function. Let's say I am having an ASCII value and I want to convert that ASCII value into character. Okay, so C1 equals to CHR, and in bracket let's say I will write ASCII value. Okay, and then I will print the value C1. Okay, so it is not always mandatory to assign the value into variable and then print the variable. Okay, so without using it you can also print it directly. So 99 is for C1, for C. Let's say 98 it is for B. Okay, let's say 126 it is for tilde. Okay, so whatever value you will have, you will provide, okay, then according to that value it will be converted into the character. Similarly, if you want to find the order, okay, let's say I want to find the order C1 equals to ORD, and then in bracket I will specify a character for which I want to find the value, integer value, print C1. Okay, so here you can see I have specified the character and it will return me the Unicode value. So ORD is also there. Let's say we are having a string S9 equals to, this is a simple string. Okay, and if you want to find out the length of the string, then there is a len function. Okay, so how to use it? Let me directly print the length. Okay, this time we will not assign it into the variable. You can assign if you want to use it somewhere else. So print length S9. Okay, so it will return the length of the string, that how many characters are there. Clear with this? Okay, now it will there is another function which is similar to this CHR, ORD and length, and that is string. So this function is mostly used to typecast any value into the string format. Okay, so let me go with some example. Let's say print str 3.14. Now by default 3.14 is float. Okay, but after this it will be converted into the string, and if we are assigning it somewhere, let's say A1 equals to str 3.14, and then print A1 comma type of A1. Okay, 3.14, and it is converted into the string. Similarly, we can take few more values. Here instead of float we will take integer, then we will take some, let's say, imaginary number 3 plus 4j. Okay, then let me write one expression 5 into 6 Okay, let's execute it. Okay, so 3.14, this float is converted into string, this 56 is converted into string, 3 plus 4j imaginary number. Okay, it is converted into the string, and 5 into 6. So first this expression will be evaluated, and then whatever answer is there, it will be converted into string. So 5 into 6, 30. So we will get 30 as a answer. Now another trick or the beauty of this language is, let's say we are having string hello. Okay, let's say let's take one variable s10 equals to hello. Okay, and we want to print this hello 10 times. Okay, so what we can do, print s10 into 10. Okay, here you can see you will get hello 10 times. Okay.